G'day guys, Andrew from On Track. Well, it's the start of a brand new week here and I thought I'd just run you through the workshop and show you what we're all doing. So obviously we've got a Y62 in. This just came from a major trip mid New South Wales, up that way anyway, so we're giving that a full check over and all that sort of stuff. So it's got all our billet gear in it and all that sort of stuff, so you can have a look at that. This Toyota LandCruiser 200 series, well, that's on its way out. So this customer has come in for a pre-trip inspection, which we're going through, and we're just going through everything at the moment. So service-wise as well, so checking tyres, wheel bearings, transmission fluids, all that sort of stuff. So we're going through all of that. So this black thing here, well, that's in for a suspension upgrade. So it's getting some billet arms and some aluminium coils in the front and in the rear HPMC bleed from using the oil from Patrol apart in that. So Matty's there, he's just pulling all the struts out and all that sort of stuff. We'll swing around to here. We've got young Aaron here, working hard as normal, always got his head stuck in something. So, but yeah, he's just aligning this bull bar up, gone onto this new customer's car. And then we've got the big Ram 2500. So obviously we've been doing a full off-road creative package on this one. Obviously laser lamps, the off-road creative front bar, steady lights down there. We've got some method wheels, switch pros going on. The off-road creative cab rack up there with the light bar. We've put a Starlink up there and UHF antenna as well. We do have a off-road creative tray canopy package coming for this shortly, which you'll see very, very quickly. So Dan's wrapping up all the wiring in it and that'll keep us going for the rest of the week. There's a heap more cars out in the workshop and yeah, you'll be able to see it all then.